Hello everyone! Welcome to our Redux React recipe app demo. Today we'll walk you through the key features and functionalities of our app, built using React and Redux. Let's dive in. Before we start exploring the app, let me give you a quick overview. Our Redux React recipe app is designed to help you find your favorite recipes efficiently. It utilizes React for the user interface and Redux for state management. Now, let's get started. First, let's take a look at the home page. Here you'll find a list of all available recipes. The navigation is intuitive, allowing you to scroll through the list effortlessly. Now let's dive into the features. You can search for a specific recipe by ingredient and instantly get matching recipes. Next, we have the Details modal. By clicking the View Recipe button, you can access detailed instructions for preparing your chosen recipe, along with a YouTube link if you prefer video tutorials. Let's briefly touch on the code structure. Our project follows a clean and modular architecture. In the SRC folder, you'll find various components for handling the implementation of our app, along with Redux setup for state management. You can find the project on GitHub for those interested in exploring the app or diving into the code. The link is provided in the description below. That concludes our Redux React recipe app demo. We hope you find it user-friendly and efficient for finding your favorite recipes. Feel free to explore the app on your own, and remember to check out the GitHub repository for the code.